Understanding your camera's essential settings is the first step toward capturing truly remarkable photos. For beginners, learning how to control features like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO can make a significant difference in image quality. Mastering these basics not only helps you adapt to different lighting conditions, but also unlocks new creative possibilities. By becoming familiar with your camera's functions, you gain the confidence to experiment and develop your unique photographic style. Aperture and shutter speed are two fundamental settings in photography that directly influence exposure and creative outcomes. Aperture refers to the size of the lens opening, which controls how much light enters the camera. A wider aperture allows more light in and creates a shallow depth of field, resulting in a blurred background that makes your subject stand out. Shutter speed determines how long the camera's sensor is exposed to light. Faster shutter speeds freeze motion, capturing sharp images of moving subjects, while slower speeds can create a sense of motion blur, adding dynamic effects to your photos. ISO is a camera setting that controls how sensitive your camera's sensor is to light. A lower ISO value, like 100 or 200, makes the sensor less sensitive, resulting in clearer images with less noise, but it requires more light. Higher ISO values, such as 1,600 or 3,200, increase sensitivity, allowing you to shoot in darker conditions, but they can introduce more grain or noise into your photos. For bright outdoor scenes, stick with a low ISO for the best image quality. In dimmer environments, raise the ISO just enough to get a properly exposed shot, but try not to go higher than necessary to keep noise to a minimum. White balance is a crucial camera setting that ensures the colors in your photos and videos appear natural and true to life. Different lighting conditions, such as sunlight, fluorescent, or incandescent bulbs, can cast various color tints on your images. By adjusting the white balance, you compensate for these color shifts, allowing whites to appear white and all other colors to be accurately rendered. Most cameras offer presets like daylight, cloudy, tungsten, and fluorescent, which are tailored for common lighting environments. Choosing the preset that matches your shooting conditions helps achieve the most accurate color reproduction. Adapting your camera settings to different lighting conditions is key to capturing stunning photos. In bright sunlight, use a lower ISO and a faster shutter speed to prevent overexposure, and consider using a smaller aperture for sharper images. For low-light interiors, increase the ISO and open up the aperture to allow more light in, while using a slower shutter speed if possible. Always check your white balance to ensure accurate colors, and don't hesitate to experiment with settings to find what works best for each environment. With practice, these adjustments will become second nature, helping you achieve beautiful results in any scenario. Mastering your camera settings opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to capture images that truly reflect your vision. As you become more comfortable with these tools, you'll find new ways to express your unique perspective through photography. Remember, growth comes with practice, so take your camera out often and experiment with different techniques. Sharing your work and connecting with fellow photographers can inspire fresh ideas and foster valuable feedback. Embrace the journey and enjoy the creative empowerment that comes with every shot you take.